Jang, what are you trying to tell us in South Sudan? What are you trying to tell us? Do you own God? Do you own Jesus? As a Jinja, do you own God? Do you know that do you know that? Do you really have a brain like other human beings? Ko jang ten jang kina bulare jang ten jang ko jang kon nuore ke jang nuot ke jang ten nuore. Do you really own God, you people? Riem nuore huge. We are so tired. Everywhere we mourn a man. Any which me shall we mourn. Tell a guami riem nuore de jetten. Tell a guami shua nuore de jetten. Liu like that. Jane coin. Angu mitiega michi duerga South Sudan, why only one tribe makwa judge ke jone macha na cha ka judge ne. The only person that can go to court kira mada dewa ka ICC your stupid Salpakir. He's the one that has to go to ICC. The jara made kon woni jen kenyam me kam ga ngot with mon Salpakir ke de ba wala chede ba kan ji kwara because kuma moro ke family. Angu de go atene kuma shena mo. Kukum like family. Ekum stupid cherish who create Nigerian flag. Kanarama ku South Sudan useless law create. Jarama shiramana. Riem nuore everywhere. Who did that man chiakonak? Chiliu. Iguam shiawi yenten. Chakwar chaja yen ken on a motor South Sudanese law on and kayen jang. Oh, ba quarter by yen no. Oh, Nuer. That's why you guys do that. What do you guys want? Is it not enough? Haven't you done enough? What do you want from Nuer? What do you want? What do you want? It is that simple. To kill Nuer, right? It is very simple. Go tell a justo Sudan with a yoga can worry. Tibinega jurna berry be a nina. Go yen. Yeah, Cora here long my account go to home never go shallow. A will be in tune lemon on a shake and nugget down and knock a neighbor. Jen lem lem around 2 years Nuer ko ngay you guys will never face Nuer. You will fight. No, you can never do that. Me, Jenny, your racist, take it as it is. I am. Yes, I am. I'm not racist. Because this one in South Sudan is stupidity. She a kuma. Gwana no like jelke diaper because he is done already. She talk. He is done. Kemen kui shalalu karim nuari. Karim nuari to kui shalalu tal mura den ko salva ke shalalu gola. Min nagriek mashar. Min bien na kashar. Ko liu ne ka niamde. Ka yob win mona dang wato ne salpa teke cho teke dwer. Win mi chariek mashara teke dwer. Chio teke dwer tale dwer. But again the situation on ne what he gonna do. She situation me she situation me. My day was good until I see the picture of that man. And then from there it's messed up. Why always Nuer? Always Nuer. Again, come met I ne Conware, ke galam neko. Is that? Again, kuma. Ko kuma na matanya ne. Enjoy. Quite enjoy. 1 day for the thief and 6 days for the honor. Quite enjoy to the fullest. Because the day will come. Mingi konala one ne shi jang shi jen shang nuara. The day will come. Because we signed that things that you call a kuma jane. Tiny Nueri. Kia tiny Ramoto dear. Bayan Benjang Kwan me talk Kimalat, come around Kwanjang, come and eat. The food is ready. The food was ready because of Nuer. The food was not ready because of Jang, because of Dinka. We there could mal take a mal did we mquare from stupid people, from useless people, brandless people, people that doesn't have brand. Because we don't initiate the Jang. Tell me we don't brand, don't tell me the thing what taga. Agenda I per tar guru agenda we do no. That's it. Tell me again. But the day will come. Any ramade ye ka kai we want me, any ramashitagare South Sudan. No. Also, we are going through a lot because we see what happened to Nuer always and Nuer, always and Nuer. When you see somebody on social media that mishi year again, it's Nuer. Always Nuer, always Nuer, always Nuer. 64 tribes. 64 tribes for what? Angala, number 4, maybe Nika. Who is 64 tribes? We know that we are not belong to South Sudan. We are not one of the tribes that live in South Sudan. We have the blood that you guys have. What do you really want? Min guri yana ka ja ka nuare alengu. What do you really want? Bu wunu ko biga yat kien bi ka loñ ci wunu ko di ci do la wun to ku yen ka lo tuk to biga yat kien biga betelo ni kien loñ biga ro kien lo la man kun ko ka man kun from before already ka man kun ko ga kerim gande kule liuti wala kerim den ku te ku kan gala sham o ba yi jogo to ne we nyenye yana da mor ko ba ko ngaji ba kule te ga ba kule te gwa mo baga ran Nuari, we can say enough is enough. Da ko la waga kuma mo gor ko mo bana la wishen kel ke mitelo to ne bala we chinwali wo wala chinwali runde ngai ni yo ne chiran liu ko je chieme ngai ko ne wal ne ke nuari story ki ke nuari culture o mi chen kiran liu ne ka bantiu baba pare ga jang no gwa ne ko bran liu bume kenin ko to kon ji ko ka kamji. But what is going on today in this useless South Sudan, that all the leaders are jang and useless Nuer also. I put it in a God hand. We will see.